The James Webb Space Telescope is a space telescope designed primarily to conduct infrared astronomy. The release of the first full-color images and spectroscopic data was on the 12th of July 2022, which also marked the official beginning of Webb's general science operations. NASA announced the list of observations targeted for release. Carina Nebula, young star-forming region called NGC 3324, displaying cosmic cliffs about 8,500 light-years from Earth. Southern Ring Nebula, clouds of gas and dust expelled by a dying star 2,500 light-years from Earth. Now see what Quran says about universe. When all energies and forces in space explode, this happens according to the law of Allah, who provides nourishment to the entire universe. It is under his law that the entire system functions. He has made it such that every occurrence fits perfectly in his program. And when habitation shall spread out to far off places on earth, the earth will give forth its treasures and become emptier. This will also happen according to the divine law, the obedience of which is in the very nature of these things. They have been made this way. O human! There is absolutely no doubt that by dint of your own experiments and observation, you will ultimately reach the divine order which has the responsibility for nourishing all humanity. However, this shall happen only after a lot of striving and strenuous effort. In contrast, under the guidance of Wahi, that stage can be reached in a much shorter time, with minimum effort. And the moon, passing through various stages, slowly becomes full. These cosmic phenomena are testimony to the fact that you too would ascend, through various stages of development, towards new heights. When you conform with one stage, you shall attain the capability to go to the next, thus attaining new heights stage by stage, with the process continuing even after death. Only those who have faith in the truthfulness of the divine laws and do virtuous deeds to correct and improve their own selves as well as universal mankind, will be safe from this devastation. The outcome of such a behavior would be never-ending comfort and pleasures. They will receive all this not as charity, but as a matter of right.